Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Katie Eyer. I'm a professor of law at Rutgers Law School, and this is my mini lecture on the issue of pursuing your dreams as a lawyer. So, anywhere you go in life, you are likely to have people around you who have opinions about what you should do, or who have their own values about what it is that's important in life. And this is nowhere more true than in law school. So, in law school, professors, mentors, others will have, probably your parents, your spouse, will have opinions about where you should go with your law degree. And you'll look around and your classmates will be making choices about what is important to them in ways that may or may not match up with what it is that you yourself are passionate about. I'm here today to give you the plug to go with your dreams and pursue what it is you care about. So when I entered law school, I knew I wanted to be an LGBTQ rights lawyer, or I wanted to work on disability rights, or both, as I have ultimately done in my career. But at the time, I was regularly told by those who were more senior in the profession that I should go to a big firm because it was good training and I'd pay off my student loan debt. And of course, when I looked around me, that was what most of my classmates were aspiring to do, or were in fact doing if they were academically successful. And so there was a lot of sort of both formal and informal pressure to go in this other direction. I didn't, and I can tell you it was probably the best decision of my lifetime. As a result of the decision to go in a different direction, I've had the opportunity to argue important cases that have opened up protections for folks who are LGBTQ to address discrimination against them in the workplace. I've been able to do the same for people with disabilities, and I've built both a career and a life that I've been very happy with. So the point here is hold on to what you value and don't be distracted by the values of those around you. And there are 1,000,001 things you can do with a law degree. So finding your place is really a matter of recognizing what's important to you and what you like doing and pursuing it.